this video I'm going to just talk about how you can create your own personalized light fittings for your house using Fluid Designer for 3D printing. And this particular style of lighting can be fitted to your wall of any room of the house, and that's one of the sizes. There are a couple of different sizes that you can use, and if you actually go onto eBay and if you just type LED light cube and then just scroll down, there are a number of people who sell this kind of light fitting. A few more further down here, I think, different prices obviously. So we're going to use the software Fluid Designer for 3D lighting, which is based on Blender, and as you can see I've input the image here, and this is basically my object, and so I've mimicked the light fitting itself here with this object. And if I just hide that and hide the cube there, what I'm saying here is that we can use our 3D software to create this personalized object to put on top of it afterwards. And so in this case it's got the name Alison and this Art Deco pattern, so we would put that, stick that on top of the actual light fitting after you've 3D printed it or got it 3D printed. And where do we get these patterns from? Well, we just go to the object library, and the word Alison is just made up of alphabet Harrington font. So you just use the font library to spell out the word Alison and just join the objects together. And if we also go to Art Deco 2D, I think it is, you can see I've used one of the Art Deco patterns here. It's actually this one that I've used, but as you can see there are several other patterns. So you just join those objects together, and if I just zoom in on it, you can see what it looks like. So you just basically 3D print that and then stick it on your light fitting afterwards. And you can find the software on the internet at fluiddesigner.co.uk. So it's 3D printing software, and it's based on Blender. And if you just scroll down to the bottom of our home page there, you'll see details of lighting software. There are a number of videos that you can actually watch about how to do this, and here are some further examples of 3D printed light fittings that you can actually make. Okay, so thank you for watching.